How's it going, everyone? My name is Rob. I work with Mission Ridge Range Academy. I'm one of the archery technicians here. Today I'm going to be going over some things that you want to do to prepare for archery season. Of course, elk season coming up, early September, followed by whitetail season right after. Biggest things that we like to push on is strings and cables. If you haven't replaced those in over 2,000 shots or 2 years, you definitely want to get those replaced, or if you notice any kind of fraying. When it comes to your strings and cables, they are going to stretch, they are going to settle. So if you're waiting 2 weeks before season, it's going to be a little difficult to get everything sighted in and get out to, especially if you're going to a different state like Montana, Colorado. Things are going to get a little hard to take care of everything, last minute. So definitely want to get those replaced as soon as possible. Next thing I want to be pushing pretty hard on is waxing your strings also. If you have not waxed your strings, definitely want to start taking care of that now. That way they're not dry. You don't want to be out in the sticks with dry strings, dry cables. I'm going to point out some things that I like to keep in my pack at all times. First thing is going to be a good knife set. You want something that's going to be able to handle whatever you're going out for. I keep a pair of small ones and a little bit bigger ones. That way, if I'm cutting around, the hind legs, shoulders, whatever it may be, I have different sets for that. Next thing is going to be a bone saw. I always keep a bone saw for, chest cavities, stuff like that. It's always good to have in a pack. You don't want to be caught without it because, if you want to keep some of those ribs or whatever it may be, and you don't have a bone saw, it's going to be a little difficult to get all that out. Next thing is going to be broadheads. I do like to sight in both my sets of broadheads, only because I like to see which one's shooting better, especially when I'm out in the mountains. Winds change, temperature changes, a lot of things change. So you want to make sure you have something that's going to be flying good. Definitely want to take a target out with you too. That way you can, take a couple shots, make sure everything's fine. Biggest thing we want to push on early is those strings and cables. Make sure those are good to go. That way, if you do get them replaced, they stretch, they settle. If you guys have any questions, we do have a full archery pro shop. We can help, change cable, strings, tune, paper tune. Those are going to be the biggest things we want to push right now. We can do everything you need here in store. Feel free to give us a call if you have any questions, or stop on in or visit us online. We look forward to seeing you. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.